Hello, my name is Esteban Carvalloso, but most people call me Steve. This is Presentation 1, Natural Resource Overview. The natural resource being managed and being presented is buildable land in human habitats and settlements. In specific, how expansion of human settlements have reorganized local environments, paying particular attention to the environmental impacts of access to necessary resources like water, food, and energy. As each individual human grows up as one of the many organisms on the planet, it takes from its environment into its body the required amount of nutrients and chemicals needed in order to stay alive, to grow, and in many cases, to procreate. Over our evolution, where we choose to raise our young has taken on many forms. Different factors like environment, technology, and the available natural resources have all played a part in the increased comfort and ease of rearing children. Permanent settlements have taken on many forms, but for much of human history, including the Roman and Greek empires, the organizational and construction patterns for permanent living habitats have remained remarkably the same. Human beings have been colonizing the planet into cities for as long as we have been able to organize ourselves into civilization. For example, in the United States alone, out of 315 million Americans, a whopping 80% of us now live in what is called an urban situation. So what is the environmental problem with urbanization? Offhand, there shouldn't seem to really be one. Well, the answer to that question is best described by the term known as suburban sprawl. One may not consider a city block as a natural resource. However, with just a few clicks of research, one can see that our settled areas were all once natural habitats. Even such seemingly lifeless areas like the deserts have been affected by urban sprawl, as this NASA video of Las Vegas, Nevada between 1972 and 2009 shows. Urban sprawl, or suburban sprawl, describes the expansion of human populations away from a central urban area into a low-density, monofunctional, and usually car-dependent communities, in a process called suburbanization. In addition to describing a particular form of urbanization, the term also relates to the social and environmental consequences associated with this development. What does it mean to live within an urban setting? What is the difference between urban and suburban? What is rural, hamlet, or country living? We all need somewhere to live, so in terms of environmental impact, is one better than the other?